Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to enable developer option in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So open settings, scroll down, click on to about phone, scroll down, press on software information, scroll down and just tap on 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now turn on my developer option. Showing it to developer option. You just easily use from developer mode and you get all developer feature from here. Or if you want to turn off, you just press on to turn off developer mode. So that's it.